check out this feature, guys. If you press this button, the screen will actually tilt also the other way for sunlight corrections. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the all-new Mercedes-AMG SL 63 and we finally have it for drive here in the city of Zurich in beautiful Switzerland. And yes, the new SL has changed in many optics. First of all, it is very long, the characteristic long SL bonnet, but now it also has the rear axle steering and a beautiful V8 BiTurbo with 585 horsepower. But the driving I will show you later on. Tell me guys, would you drive like this or a more flatter screen? First of all, check out, it is a convertible and that means it has a soft top. And now also for the first time a 2+2, so that means 4 seats in total. So if I press the lock button, the roof will close. And if I hold it a little bit longer, also the windows will close. All with the key. But I will press and hold the button again, the unlock button, for the roof to open, as we will check out the exterior with the roof completely open. And it opens in around 20 seconds, which is extremely fast. You can open and close the roof while driving 60 kilometers an hour. And this is all soft top, as I mentioned. And there you can see a beautiful interior with this new Mercedes design portrait style screen. It can actually tilt, as I showed you earlier, and it has a beautiful glossy carbon fiber interior trim. Also with the high-end Burmester surround sound system speakers. So now let's first check out the front, because it is a very wide SL, almost 2 meters in width. And on the side I noticed the V8 BiTurbo 4MATIC Plus emblem. The plus is in a little red accent. And yes, it has the Panamericana grille with this A-style shape. And it has great accents here on the front bumpers with beautiful glossy carbon fiber details. And I really love this new digital lights with 2 dots. And I will show you that in the night drive video because it has these special patterns. And by the way, I really love the integrated bonnet. So guys, before we move on, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. And I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes vehicles and the special ones like this AMG SL 63. So let's move over into the side, and that's where you can notice that walking alongside this very long bonnet, the SL is also relatively long. It is 4 meters and 65 centimeters in length. And just check out these massive, huge 21-inch rims, and this is the new design of Mercedes-AMG. We already know the multi-spoke in Y signature, but now it has a circle around here with the AMG logo and beautiful golden carbon ceramic brakes AMG. It is 21-inch, so massive. In the width it is 275, in the rear 305. You can see a lot of carbon fiber details. Check out the side mirror caps and even the side skirts. And just check out again this V8 BiTurbo 4MATIC Plus emblem in chrome. It looks amazing. And the total shape, it looks like a little bit more upward sloping in the rear. And given that the SL is a cabrio, it still has quite significant amount of trunk capacity. I will just open the trunk with this button down here. And there you can see it opens automatically with a very slim trunk door. It has quite an amount of space. I fit here my Mercedes bag and a lot more. It also has a button over here for some more storage space down underneath. But I will close the trunk. I love the mechanics. And yes, here you can see a soft top, as I mentioned. But now we will take it for a drive. Let's go. And my first impression is a great interior. Actually, wow, just check out this portrait style screen. I already mentioned you can tilt the screen depending on the light conditions. And just check out this front cockpit. This is my favorite characteristic with this new design around the gauges. So let's press the button for the electronics to work. I will put it into Sport Plus. And let's go. And driving in Sport Plus, I can definitely notice the new AMG sound. This is the best AMG sound in the current new AMG models. If you compare this, for example, to the C63 facelift, the previous model, this is way better in sound. It has, as I mentioned, 585 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. Amazing crackles. You can also drive with the roof open. I will show you guys how to do this. You will have to press the button over here and just slide with your finger. And there it opens. Relatively fast. It finished. So you can speed up to 60 kilometers an hour and still open and close the roof. Amazing sound. And you can see that this full interior is in Alcantara on the pillars, on the ceiling. Also if you have the roof closed. Amazing, guys. I have to be careful for this glossy carbon fiber front lid. And as you can hear, it has a lot of safety systems that keeps an eye on your surroundings. If the sun is really on your screen, again you can press this button and tilt the complete screen. And now it is almost in a 90 degrees angle. So tell me guys, would you drive like this or a more flatter screen? Beautiful view. And the thing about the sound of the new SL63 is that it constantly feels like there's a motorcycle and Harley Davidson driving behind you. What I love about the new SL and its MBUX is that you can also press the AMG button and change the characteristics the way you like. So I will just tilt the screen so you can see a little bit better. Over here, if you have it on Sport Plus, you can also change it to Comfort mode, for example, but you can basically change the drive suspension dynamics individually. So for example, dynamic or race for the drive, suspension on comfort, and dynamics on advanced or basic. But personally, I like to have it on Sport Plus, and here on the steering wheel to change the suspension to comfort. So let's take a right turn over here, and you can see a lot of cabrio vehicles driving because the weather is perfect. It is 29 degrees, so let's have a closer look at the gauges in front of us. On the left side you can see the speed in kilometers an hour depending on your country. On the right side the RPM. And I really love the steering wheel, especially this flat bottom, the buttons that you can also change because the content is changeable on the screen over here. Downshift, another one. Wow. It feels so aggressive. Amazing pops and bangs. And guys, I will close the roof so you have a little bit more shadow over here. I will do that by pressing the button and swiping to the left. And there you can see it closes. Amazing. And now the sound is also a little bit different. I will change the screen to track pace. On the left side you have the G-force, on the right side some information about your speed and how much % you're pressing the accelerator and brake. So let's put this down. And guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the Mercedes SL63, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.